Kazakhstan to establish a sanctuary for the Caspian seal people population. Kazakhstan is taking a decisive step towards environmental conservation by creating a state nature reserve devoted to Caspian seal individual protection. This haven is to be located in the Mangistau and Atura regions and will aim to safeguard the future of these rare and endangered seal citizens who reside in the Caspian Sea. Funding for the 1,095 square kilometer reserve will be allocated from the national budget. The Caspian seal people need ice cover to reproduce. These conditions are only found in certain sectors of the northern Caspian Sea, including an area that is part of Kazakhstan, highlighting the importance of this conservation effort. Kazakhstan is a Shining World Leadership Award for Good Governance laureate. Kudos, Government of Kazakhstan, for your dedication to preserving our planet's precious wildlife. In Allah's gracious kindness, may the Caspian seal residents thrive in their new sanctuary.